Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect whipped cream for your tres leches cake. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Ensuring your cream is super chilled is the first and most crucial step for achieving that light, airy texture we all love. Let's get started with these essentials. Now for the preparation. First, place your mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the freezer for about 15 minutes. This helps the cream whip up faster and firmer. Once chilled, pour 1 cup of your very cold, heavy cream into the bowl. Begin mixing on a low speed, then gradually increase it to medium-high. You'll notice the cream starting to thicken and form beautiful soft peaks, which is exactly what we want at this stage. With your cream at soft peak stage, it's time to add the sweetness and flavor. Slowly sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar while the mixer is still running. Continue mixing until the sugar is completely incorporated and the cream is smooth. Then, add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix for just a few more seconds until the cream is almost at stiff peaks, but still looks glossy and smooth. The final step is achieving that perfect stiff peak consistency. Continue mixing until the cream holds firm, distinct peaks when you lift the whisk. Be very careful not to overmix, as this can quickly turn your beautiful whipped cream grainy. Once it reaches stiff peaks, stop immediately. Your fresh, airy whipped cream is now ready to generously top your delicious tres leches cake. Enjoy every light and creamy bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.